When people ask, "Who are you?" we often answer our names, but is it really just who we are? Hi, ako nga pala si Charis Jade Enfesto. Pwede nyo rin akong tawagin Jade. And by the way, I'm 18 years old, currently taking Bachelor of Elementary Education in Sitio Consolacion Campus. Growing up, I learned new things about life. Akala ko nung bata pa ako, madali lang maging matanda. Akala ko lang pala. Life is kinda rough, that's why I need to be tough. I didn't know the reasons why I am here, seeing my purpose is still unclear. But one thing makes me relieved, that there are people who believes in me, people that never leave, and a person who understands me. Mahirap alamin kung sino ba talaga ako, lalo na kung sa sarili mo ay tinatanong mo ang iyong halaga. Ito ako, ito ang itsura ko, salita ko, ugali ko, at pagkilos ko. Pero, sino nga ba talaga ako? Jade, that is my name. And hi, this is my physical appearance. And yes, you can hear me by my voice. But, is it really just who I am? Our identity is made up of a whole range of things. A value, behavior, belief, and more. But sometimes, we can show these off by the society we are surrounded of. So, you wanna know more things about myself? Okay, so, let's start from the things I like. For me, eating at my favorite place makes me happy. Going outside, watching K-drama, reading stories is my hobby. I love waves and cats. I just found them really comforting. And being with my friends brings me happiness. Sometimes being with myself feels emptiness. Sometimes I enjoy being alone, but I need to step out from my comfort zone. To become successful is one of my goals. That is why I need to explore and become mindful. We couldn't tell what will happen next and cannot just relax and rest. Minsan kasi sa sobrang pagod na natin sa buhay, humihinto na lang tayo at nananatiling malumbay. Nakokontento na lang sa mga bagay at di na hinahangad ang umunlad pa. Oo, mahirap na naman lalo na kapag mag-isa ka lang lumalaban. Pero paano natin makakamtan kung hindi natin sisimulan? Siguro isa yun sa kahinaan ko, yung sarili kong takot at pagkatao. Pero, isa lang ang alam ko, sa mundong ito, sarili ko lang rin naman ang kakampi ko. True about yourself, know your weaknesses and strength. You are unique by your own, don't be afraid and let it show. You have something within you that nobody can be, and that makes you the rarest person you can ever be. By this time, you just not know who I am. I also learn more about myself, and I'm willing to learn more perspective on my own. At para magawa ko yun, kailangan ko lang maging totoo sa sarili ko. Patuloy na mangarap at talakad sa landas ng buhay. So, I guess, I know the real answer of that question. Who are you? Life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.